Tile is one of the most beautiful options that you can choose to cover your floor or walls with. Besides just being beautiful and stunning to look at, it's also highly functional. There's not many materials that you could use in a shower, being a wet area that sees more water in a year than your roof sees. So you can customize tile to completely fit your home and your lifestyle, depending on how durable you want it to be, what suits your taste, color, material. There's just so many possibilities with it. Tile's been around for thousands of years and stood the test of time. Most importantly, tile's customizable to your lifestyle and your personality, and it's also pet friendly, and we all love our pets.